Hi guys, this is Ais. This video is all about me, sharing my story. I wanted to share this story because gusto kong mas marami pang ma-inspire, not only in my social media page, but also all of the millennials like me na naghangad ng magandang buhay. How do I start my business in the Philippines? That's the topic here. Backtrack muna tayo, no? I started working in airlines. Doon ko simulang natutunan yung customer service. So, enjoy ko yung customer service. There's this core value sa akin, yung customer service. From airlines, lumipat ako papuntang hotel. Doon ako yung medyo nag-explore na ng wow, sales. Yan. Pinag-combine ko yung customer service dun being a salesperson. So, for 7 years, naging hotelier ako as a sales manager, as a sales executive, as a sales coordinator. So, from the bottom talaga ako papunta sa taas. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na umabot ako sa pinakataas kasi nandun ako sa gitna. Do I really want this? Do I really want to become a very successful salesperson, sales director? Hindi na ako naging productive nung nandun ako sa gitna. Yung sinasabi kong gitna is yung moment ng third year, going on third year. Every third year, kine-question ko na yung sarili ko. Parang hindi ako masaya. I want to be a leader, pero in my own way. Talagang ni-research ko yung sarili ko, ano ba ako? Ano bang mga signs tong mga nakikita ko sa sarili ko? The pandemic hit, from hotel, lumipat na akong catering kasi akala ko ang gusto kong business is catering. Kasi nga, galing ako sa industry ng hotel. So, parang gusto ko business is food service din, and my family is also good in terms of food and recipes, yung lola ko. There's this feeling na I might get tired of it. Tumingin lang ako ng ibang direction and nakita ko yung pets ko. Yan. Diyan na nagsimula na, ay, mas ako. So, maging leader, pero mas leader of pack ng mga pet lover. Nag-start na yung business ko after na nung post-pandemic na. Naging virtual assistant ako during pandemic. So, na-enjoy ko yun nung earning money as a freelancer. Doon na, nagsimula na yung nag-ipon na ako, na-meet ko na yung love of my life. Love of my life! Naging intertwined kami sa pagiging money-driven. In Tagalog mo kapel. So, nagsipag kami, nag-strive kami to achieve that goal. Pero bago namin sinimulan yung negosyo, ginawa muna namin conjugal ang lahat. So, nagpakasal muna kami. Mahal naman namin yung isa't isa, di magpakasal na lang. After wedding, hindi kami nag-honeymoon. Nag-business planning na kami. Yun ang honeymoon namin. Technically, iba yung mindset na namin. Yung iba magbabakasyon pa, pagkatas ng kasal, mag-enjoy pa. Iba yung ginawa namin. Hunting kami ng mga pet grooming business. Which is na-enjoy namin kasi na-excite kami to do those things together. Na parehas kaming pet lover, parehas kaming dog lover. So, nagsimula na dun yung business ko sa pagtayo ng pet store business. Initially, ang gusto talaga ng ko is pet supplies lang. Yung idea ng pet grooming is my husband. Sabi niya, let's go with the service. Total, may alam ka sa customer service. Doon na lumawak yung pangarap naming dalawa. Then, may nag-franchise, and then the next, and then the next. So, ngayon, nag-start kami ng sarili naming brand called Fur Mama. May mga shampoo na may sarili ng shampoo line ang aming corgi. Nagkaroon kami ng experience ng shampoo na sobrang tapang ng amoy. Every bad experience is an inspiration to us na to create. Kaya rin naman kami nag-start ng grooming business because naka-experience kami ng bad. And then I told myself na kaya kong maging sociable at the same time good service. That's my business and I'm currently franchising my business at the same time, shampoo line, and at the same time, yung freelancing namin. Yung freelancing job ko, literally freelancing. I handle my own time. Napagsasabay ko yung business and then yung freelance. Tapos yung husband ko yung full-time employee. Nung nag-business kami, siniguro namin sa sarili namin na my husband will take care of our needs. And then ako yung mag-expand ng business. So, right now, nag-enjoy lang kami sa life. I think nalampasan na namin yung phase ng garag, stress, budget short, nalaman na namin yung laro ng negosyo. Sana yung makapanood nito ay ma-inspire din to create their own stories. This video is not to brag kung ano yung achievement ko or what. Hindi ganon. Ano to? This is a video of sharing with you how hard my life was. I was a breadwinner. Since 2012, pag-graduate ko, tanggap ko na breadwinner ako. Pero, it doesn't stop me there from achieving my own goals. So, if someone is watching this, you're a breadwinner, don't stop. Hanap ka asawa. Totoo. Find a partner that would give you the best version of yourself, no? Kasi nakasalalay talaga sa support system ng partner mo yung achieving goals. Totoo yun kasi kung iba nakatuluyan ko, hindi si Marco, baka empleyado pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. So, malaking ambag yung may husband or may asawa ka ng very supportive. Hindi yung nega. Iwanan mo yun. Charis. This is my story and I hope my story would inspire you to create a better story of your life. Follow me on my social media kung saan man lumabas dyan sa screen. YouTube, subscribe, follow, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, follow my Facebook page, Millennial Negosyante. Join my community group, Millennial Negosyantes, because we, the millennials, are the future success story. Thank you. Bye.